Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destinee. If this is your first time here, that's Destinee with 2 E's and not a Y.
Put some respect on my name. You understand me? When y'all saying my name, put some respect on it. Y'all finished or y'all done? I ain't got no more talking. Let's rock.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions look with the new PUR Festival palette and the Nars, what is it called? Nars Natural Longwear, no, Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So if you're interested in seeing a look and my perspective and my views on these products, then just keep on watching. This is the palette. It is 12 shades. It retails for $36, or if you were a BoxyCharm subscriber, it came in the BoxyCharm April box. Since it is glittery, I'm gonna do my eyes first. Okay, for eye primer, I'm just gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. We're gonna go in with the shade Hidden Desert. So I'm just gonna go in with that. So what's going on in your world? What's going on in my world, you ask? Not that you did, but I'm gonna tell you. I know I've been a little bit absent from YouTube, kind of. It's been a couple weeks. I hope to get this video up tomorrow, which would be Good Friday. Thank the Lord for Good Friday. It's not a Good Friday, but Resurrection Sunday is coming. Okay, can I get an amen? Okay, so I know I've been absent from YouTube, semi-absent. I know I said I was trying to get videos up weekly, but I've been, it's not that I haven't been trying, but I have been being a little bit more active on my Instagram. I have some like skincare and mini tutorials, I guess you can call them, up on there. But I do plan on trying to be on here weekly. If not, we'll stick to bi-weekly for now. Next, I'm going to go in with the pink shade Wild Child. There we go. This isn't looking like I hope it looks, but we're just gonna keep going because I'm tired of wasting footage. Okay, so I don't know if you can see because my lights are kind of blinding it out, but the shades 24 Karat Magic and Fireworks are like a weird kind of glittery situation. These are actually how they swatched on my hand. So I'm going to use those. I'm going to go in with Fireworks and see what happens. And I'm just going to use my finger because it's like wet already. How they did that, I don't know. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Well, that's pretty. Let's see. And since my face isn't done, I can just make a little mess. No problem. Alright, so that's like ready-made glitter in a palette. That's really cool. I've never seen a palette do that before. Shout out to the glitter on there. This is what it ended up looking like on my finger. Isn't that cool? And you can literally just like swipe it on. That is really cool. this dark brown shade to kind of just maybe try to do a little bit of smoke on the edge. And I'm just working that in the corner. I don't really know if it's doing anything. This eyeshadow look may be a big fail, but we'll see what happens. So, the other thing that I wanted to feature in this video, which I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but this is the new, well, it's a year old now, but the foundation from Nars. It is called the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is in the shade New Caledonia. And I'm just going to start working that on. So the pumps are a little bit small. I'm just gonna get another one. All right. Okay, so glitter is still falling everywhere, but that's okay. Now, as far as shade matches go, I don't know if this is my right match. I might have to go in and get another one. Now, it does match my chest, but she might be a tad bit too light for me, but that's okay. We're gonna go along with it. Let's see if it dries down a little bit. Sometimes when you put foundation on, I at least have learned that it will be, sometimes it's a little bit lighter, and then give it some time to dry down. It's more of a match in person than it is on camera. I will say my camera is making it look a lot lighter than it is, but we're gonna keep going again because I'm not wasting footage. I would definitely go a shade darker because now my neck has a shadow on it, which a lot of people don't understand when they see pictures and videos of people doing foundation, but my neck is darker than my face anyway, which is hyperpigmentation. A lot of black women have that, or their face may be darker than their neck. My chest is probably about this color. My chest is really light. I live in Ohio, as I talk about pretty regularly, and we don't get that much sun out this way. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go get another shade. I'm gonna finish my face, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts on the palette and on the foundation. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's bright, it's super bright, it's extra, but it's festival season, so it's normal. My final thoughts on the palette. I really do like the palette. I like the shadows. I like the color options, but what I will say is, let me get this in frame. If you're a beginner like me, these two shadows here, these glitter, they're like jelly glitter. It's weird. They're like a pressed glitter. They could get you in trouble. You can't really see that closely, but I have glitter everywhere. Literally everywhere. But overall, I will say that I like it. If you are someone who's a lot more experienced than me, which there are many of you, this palette will be right up your alley. I like the shades. It's bright, it's fun. Would I have bought it if it didn't come in my BoxyCharm box? I can't say that I would. As far as the foundation, this foundation is bomb. It looks so pretty in person. It gives you a really natural look. I am gonna go and see if I can get a shade darker, just so that I will be completely prepared when winter gets here. Wow, Game of Thrones reference. Winter is here but summer is coming. So if you're looking for a new foundation, again, this one is a pretty penny, not gonna lie, but it's worth it. You get a nice amount and you don't need much. Those are my thoughts. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.